Here at GCSL, every child matters. We believe children learn best in an environment where they are loved, guided, corrected, inspired, and challenged. That is why we combine academics with discipline, values, practical learning, creativity, leadership, and personal development. We have built a school culture that helps children discover their abilities. From the classroom to the science laboratory, from ICT to co-curricular activities, from moral instruction to public confidence, we are intentional about developing the whole child. Parents choose Glorious Child because they want more than a school. They want a trusted partner in the upbringing of their child, and they want a place where teachers care. They want a place where discipline is valued. They want a place where academic excellence is pursued. They want a place where children are prepared not just for the next class, but are prepared for the next stage of life. Our record speaks. Our years of service speak. Our alumni speak. Our parents speak. But most importantly, the children we nurture every day are the true evidence of what we stand for. If you are looking for a school where your child will be seen, guided, loved, and prepared for a brighter future, then I warmly invite you to visit Glorious Child School Limited. Come and see the environment, speak with our team, ask your questions, experience the school for yourself. Glorious Child School Limited. Respect, integrity, service, empathy, and excellence.